You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this recipe of pasta. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, all the dishes, stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. The Italian pronunciation is as all'asticce, al-as-ti-ce. It's generally with lobster, a dish with lobster. All'asticce. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, simply all'asticce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.